I'm going to try out LucidPic.ai. This is an AI generated unique person. So it's somebody that does not exist, but looks very photorealistic. So we're going to try a few things here. So I'm picking cinematic with a specific pose. Let's do a male from the Pacific. Make him a little older. How about surprised? With blonde hair, which would be kind of weird, and long. Okay. How about formal? And then we'll just do a studio shot. Okay. There's a lot of places. You can do a custom prompt here, but it looks like you have to upgrade to the pro version. So we're going to skip that. Just minimize it. I have to sign up with Google. Done that. Okay, let's generate the character. Now I'm speeding this up so it goes quicker. And that does not really look like what I generated. He's not in formal dress. He doesn't have blonde hair. He's not old. So, all right, let's try a new character. Select a different pose. Go with this one. Male. White. For some reason, it's selecting all of the ethnicities. It's weird. Short length hair, casual dress. In the studio again. Let's generate. Let's see what comes up here. Sped up again. Takes much longer than this, about 30 seconds. And okay. Okay. Let's try a different one. Let's do cinematic again. Let's select our pose. Let's do a little bit different this time. How about this one? Let's do a female. Yeah, for some reason it's selecting all of them and I cannot get it to stop doing that. That's strange. Okay. All I want to, I change, if it goes back to male, maybe. If that'll fix it. Nope, still doing it. Huh. Okay, we'll make him happy. With brown hair, short, business dress. Let's do the office. And we'll generate, so. Okay, he has kind of gray and black hair. It looks very real, but not really what I described. And you can download it, you can change things, you can mess with the photos that you have here, but I just want to see how accurate this is. So let's select this pose for male, Hispanic. Nope, still wants to select all of them. So it's kind of glitchy, this site right now. Do surprised, gray hair, medium length, sporty, in a gym. Generate. Oh, I have reached the monthly limit of 3 images. And that's my 3, none of which look exactly like what I was trying. Let's see how much it cost. Obviously the $0 a month. You get 3, you get 500 for 4, and unlimited for 20. So I guess if you're wanting stock photos of people for websites, maybe this would be a good application. But in my opinion, it's not quite ready to be paid for. So the value is not there for me at this point. But thanks for watching.